Hello everyone, today we want to solve this equation and find a, b, and c. Since the first and second equation has b in common, so we can subtract second from the first one and we can have this new equation, a plus b minus c equals abc minus abc. And we will have a minus c equals 0. So a needs to be equal to c. Again, for the second and third equation, we have the same situation. So we will subtract the third one from the second one. We will have b plus c minus a, abc minus abc. So now we have b minus a equals 0, and so b needs to be equal to a. So great. So a, b, c needs to be equal to each other. We assume all of them equals to a. So when all of them are equals, all of our three equations are going to change to only one equation, 2a equals a cubed. Now let's take both of them to the same side. We will have a cubed minus 2a equals 0. Now we can factor out a from here. A times a squared minus 2 equals 0. And now we can write down a squared minus 2 as 2 multiplication, a minus a square root of 2, a plus a square root of 2, and we have a from before. And this needs to be equal to 0. So here we have our three roots. A can be 0, a can be a square root of 2, and a can be minus negative square root of 2. And these are our roots, and a, b, and c are equal to each other. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.